Welcome to the Duddon Iron Furnace. I'm Eleanor Kingston and I work at the National Park Authority. There has been a tradition of iron smelting in the Lake District since at least the medieval period, but in the early 18th century we see the development of blast furnaces, and there were about 8 blast furnaces in this area, and the Duddon was one of those. The Duddon Iron Furnace was built in 1736 and it worked until 1867. The Duddon Iron Furnace is one of the best preserved furnaces. The National Park Authority lease the furnace from the landowner and we aim to manage and look after it. Unfortunately, a few years ago, a few defects and issues with the property were found, and we managed to secure a grant from Historic England to undertake some repairs to the structure. With support from a contractor, Stobbarts Limited, and our park management teams and volunteers, we've worked really hard over the last year to make the site secure, and it's now accessible to the public and has been taken off the at-risk register.